अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं अक्की मसाला रोटी। ये बहुत टेस्टी बनता है ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, इसे ज़रूर बनाएं। रोटी बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 2 कप्स राइस फ्लावर, इसमें 1 बंडल सुई की भाजी या डिल लीव्स बारीक काट के ऐड करिए, 1 अनियन फाइनली चॉप्ड, 3 ग्रीन चिलीज, मिक्स करते रहिए। ऐड द कैरेट्स, 1 बिग कैरेट फाइनली चॉप्ड, 5 to 6 curry leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon zeera, 1 teaspoon salt and coriander leaves. Add 1 cup grated coconut as well. Add warm water as much as necessary and knead to a firm dough. Cover and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Keep a tawa, but don't switch on the flame as yet. The pan has to be cool enough. Take a big bowl, dip your fingers in water. Press it and make it a nice round shape. It need not be very thin nor very thick. You can even make it in the puri press. Now switch on the flame. Keep it on medium. Apply oil on the sides of the roti and on the top. When it is almost cooked on one side, flip over the roti and apply the oil again. Flip over the roti once more. Now it is done. You can even make the akki roti in the puri press. Spread a plastic sheet, apply oil, take a small ball, press it very gently, remove from the plastic and place it on a hot tawa. Apply the oil as before on top as well as on the sides. Once it is done on one side, you can flip over the rotis. Only thing is, in puri press, the size of the rotis will be a little smaller. But then that's okay. If you're in a hurry, it's easy to use. Akki roti is now ready. Goes very well with coconut and tomato chutney. Do try it out. Thank you for watching.